Hola, Roberto. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys, and in this video we are going to do the thing that y'all have been wanting me to do the most, and that is put an exhaust on Scoot. Well, actually that's one of the many things we're doing, but we're doing a lot of them. It just takes a little bit of time, but we're putting an exhaust on Scoot in this video. There's a pretty big surprise because it's gonna be kind of funny. I'll just show y'all in a minute. I can make it even more elaborate, and I'll probably make the exhaust 10 feet taller if we get this video to 5,000 likes. So like this video, if we can get it to 5,000 likes, then I will make a 10-foot tall exhaust, and it will be a real exhaust, and I'll run it on the daily. Don't forget to buy merch at postclothes.com and enjoy the video.
We just got a tractor flap from Tractor Supply.
If this isn't perfect, I don't know what's perfect.
All right, so I know y'all have been asking, and I know you've been asking for a long time. Yes, indeed, we are putting an exhaust on Scoot. All right, guys, so in order to get the exhaust on the Focus, we're doing it on my doorstep. So we're going to lift up the car, take off the tire, get the exhaust off, and put the new exhaust on. And I have a little surprise that y'all are gonna wanna see at the end too, so it's gonna be pretty sweet. So the exhaust is on this side. So I'm gonna break these loose, then we can pull them off with the impact right there. But I figure might as well get this wheel off since A, it's only 4 bolts, and B, the exhaust has a giant like muffler at the end of it, and I might be taking that out. This is stock exhaust completely. Po go down, car go up. Now we have extraterrestrial room to work on the car. All right, so now we can kind of see the exhaust a little bit better. Basically, we're gonna be trying to take this guy out. Yeah, that's probably gonna be the style for this year is the grinder. So we have to basically take this off. This is the muffler, that's the last muffler, and we're gonna take that off. Just sounds a little bit better, but it doesn't sound terrible like 4 cylinders. Should be a Sawzall thing, but for some reason I'm using a grinding wheel. All right, there we go. Time to put on the mask and cut the rest of that exhaust off. There it is. There's the most of it. There goes that grinding wheel, or cutting wheel. Did you see it explode? Here's a piece of it. Here's a piece of it. Exploded, son. I hate cutting wheels. I really hate cutting wheels. I wish I could just find blades for my Sawzall, but I burnt them all up because I'm stupid. That is wild. It used to be this, and then it blew up and turned into that. Cutting wheels exploding is the worst thing ever, and it just happened to me again. It actually happened to me on the Po truck once too. That's like halfway the reason why I hate that truck, is just because I've had so much interesting stuff happen to me with that thing. So we're gonna do injectors on it, so that'll be coming up here within the next week or so. What kind of muffler is this, bro? Well, now we gotta turn it on, see if it sounds reasonable or not. If it sounds reasonable, we're doing it. It's staying. It sounds terrible, but it doesn't sound that terrible, so we're gonna keep it. All right, we're continuing with this. So I could cut this and literally have the pipe go straight like that and then come up. Or I could have it just go straight like this, put that on there, then straighten it out. It'd be like that. Literally perfect. That's gonna be it. I'm gonna cut it like that. I'm gonna be good. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna end up cutting this pipe at a straight line. You'll kind of see what I'm doing whenever I get it welded up. I'll show you how it is, but then I'm gonna make it straight and go just like that. But that's gonna be a lot easier of a bend, so that way the exhaust can somewhat come out of the car straight. And then from there, we got some stuff. Is there a better angle for exhaust on a car like this? I'm gonna want to put it over here. Or like that, or like that. So people can get a kick out of the tractor flap on the car. All right, now it's time to go ahead and weld this thing up. So now that we got it kind of tacked in, or kind of just set in place, we're going for the aspect of meme here. There's no actual seriousness, so like if you're actually worried about it, don't have to worry about it. We already understand. Let's get down yonder and start digging. Dope. Just like that. Now there's a little bit of a gap, but I can fix that with the welder. I'm gonna tack it right now. Now I gotta get my piece of metal, there it is, and it's time to weld the rest of it. Perfect. All right, well, now all I gotta do is make a hanger for it. That's as simple as finding the hanger that I cut. There it is. That was Tanner. Actually, Simon and Tanner moved in next door, so that's gonna be pretty fun. We have a finished product. Let's go ahead and lower her down. I think it's gonna be off to the side because I just realized the car's tilted. Maybe one day I'll clean this thing. I've never washed it before.
We should go wash it today.
Ah, we could. We got tractor flaps, so it wouldn't matter. Let's see what this thing looks like. Oh yeah. Make sure it opens. Yeah, it's got clearance. I guess now let's open it and let's see what it looks like. That is cool. So this is the first time I've ever washed this car, so we're gonna see what it actually looks like. I've never gotten all the barnacles and stuff off the top of it, so we're gonna wash it. Gotta get some coins. All right. We're doing this the right way. Brush first. Probably ought to wash it and get it wet first. All right, let's actually do this thing. Would you like a clean car? So 30 seconds to clean this other side. All right, we got 20 seconds. Oh, I'm sorry. That's it. Hold on,
What is
Roberto.
that?
That's my tractor slap. You wanna see? Isn't it though? That makes me so happy. So we're at the storage unit. Sean just gave me a call and he said that his TA needs to get put inside of storage. Hey Sean, this is the first time my channel's seen the TA. What you got to say about it?
It's actually going to be another car we're going to build on my channel. So we've got the C6 Vet, and we also got this Trans Am right here. This is just going to be the street machine. Just get in it, go drag some ass on the street. That's all I got. It's got a
Fab 9 Vikings, looks like beefier bars, strange brakes, and the paint on it's beautiful too. It's like pristine. It's already got the tube front end, full cage. What's this certified for, do you know?
850s. Yeah.
Dang. Fuel cell in the back. Is that a motion steering rack?
Yes, motion steering.
Yeah, okay, we both have the same motion steering rack.
And
And here's the cells back here.
yeah,
This is what I need to do to both Yeet and the drift car. I need to make these
this is
cells.
for your ice right here. It's got a bilge pump inside.
Water pump and everything.
Yeah. And you put your battery right there. It's all nice. And you put your fuel right here. This is just a nice trap door. Everybody with the F-bodies knows what that trap door is for. It's where the stop fuel tanks were.
So you can get the fuel pump out of them.
Yeah, so you get the fuel pump out of them. People just cut the floorboard. I didn't do that. My fuel tank's right here, so big booty Judy over here.
Yeah, lower that down. Yeah, I can't wait for this thing to be running. And the vet's about to be done too. He's getting the vet cage. Okay, the cage is almost finished in the silver vet. That all y'all know that car, and if you don't, then click that way, and you'll be able to see it. You can get a wheel on now.
That rear end's been narrowed 3 inches per side. This wheel won't work with the right weight.
That's great. Oh, I bet you this thing looks mean.
Looks like a Hot Wheels. Just to get it rolling, it's not how we're gonna run the car.
Are you gonna put lug nuts on it? It'll just not fall off?
I hope not.
All right, solid. I'm with it. Oh, on your hands. Watch your feet.
Look at that.
Wow,
It worked.
somehow this is happening. This is what we do in the South. Sean, I'm impressed.
Life gives you lemons, you make lemonade.
Get a shot of how on there these wheels are.
Remember, 5,000 likes on this video, and we can go ahead and make this thing 10 feet taller than it is currently, and that would look crazy, but if we can get 5,000 likes, I'll do it. If not, then I'm not gonna do it because that's just wild. But thank y'all very much for watching the video. Have a great one, and remember to freaking send it.